Good day everyone. I've got this ALLOYMAN router tool here for an unboxing and review. I'm going to go ahead and set this up and use it and check it all out. Alright, here's everything that came in the box. Got the router, of course. This thing feels nice and heavy duty. Got some safety glasses. And it came with a little fastener as well. Got some gloves, the directions, and got some jigs here and some wrenches, some spanner wrenches. And then this is it also comes with a 15-piece router bit set. There's all the pieces. One of the really nice things that comes that this kit comes with is it tells you what each bit is and what it does. Like it'll say mortising bit, but it also kind of shows you a little visual diagram too on what it does. You know, you got a corner round. It kind of shows you the different rounds you can get. Panel pilot bit. I mean, all kinds of different bits. You know, there's a straight bit. There's a chamfer, 45-degree chamfer. They call that a cove box bit. Really cool. All kinds of different stuff you can do with this, just with this one kit right here. Now, to adjust the speed on this, you can ramp it up this way or ramp it down. Ramp it down, now wrap it up. And then, as far as the height on this, you got a height adjuster on here, and all you do is you just pop this open, and you can roll it up or down however you want it, and you can just follow your graduations there. Lock it in. So what I'd like to do first is just go ahead and put a rounded edge on this scrap piece of wood I've got here. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull out this corner round bit and put it in the router. So for putting these bits in the router here, it's a 2-wrench system. So you're gonna go ahead and put the bit up in there with it loose, push it all the way in, and then just kind of back it out. They say to back it out about a 1/16 of an inch to an 1/8, and then we'll go ahead and tighten it up. Here's the 2-wrench system showing the loosening and tightening of it. So that big wrench is going to go around there, and the smaller one goes right around there. I'll just crank that tight. Okay, I've got the depth set for right here. We're gonna just go ahead and give this a test run right now. Go ahead and operate this. And they say to move these things from left to right, just like reading a book, left to right. I'm gonna go ahead and see what this does to the edge of that. See this little nipple poking out right there? It's gonna go into that hole, and then there's a screw that's gonna fasten through that end there too. So just put it on just like this. And once you get it in there too, you see this will move up and down with your whole assembly. That's the screw that goes in there. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and give this straight bit a go here. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and cut a groove across this thing here. Got the fixture on there. Just gonna kind of get an idea how this thing works. Turn it on. Okay, to get this piece on here, it came in 2 pieces out of the box. I'll take it back apart and show you how it goes on there. Okay, these 2 pieces work together along with this fastener with the washer nut and bolt there. This is gonna be on top. It's just gonna slide right down in there. And you're gonna take your fastener and go down through the top with it. So it goes like this piece first. You take this, slide it right up in there, and crank this down. Then this piece is gonna slide right down over this, like that. Then the fastener just goes right through there. And you can put it in this hole, or you can put it in that one. If you need to get closer, than this distance here, go ahead and put it in that one. It'll allow this thing to get closer to this. But I'm gonna leave it right there for now. And tighten this real good up with your wrench. You don't want this thing walking on you while you're going, and I'll show you why. Because you'll get a crooked cut like that. See, if you put in right there and you start pushing on it, the bracket starts moving out on you. So you want to crank it down real good. Then for changing bits, you can just pull this whole thing. This whole thing will just slide right off of there. It'll stay in one piece, and you can have good access to your bits here. All right, I'd like to go ahead and try this dovetail bit now. Okay, now if you need to change these things, that's just right down in here. So you just pop this off with a flat head. See that cover there? And it'll just come right out like that. Right down in there. Take your new one. Pop it right back in there. Okay, next I'm going to try this Roman Ogie bit here. That's pretty cool. Puts a cool looking edge on there. Okay, one other thing to show you here is this is another jig, another standoff jig, and this will actually go beneath this piece here, go beneath the piece that you're wanting to do your routering on. And it just fastens on right here just like the other jig. All right, overall guys, I'm very happy with this ALLOYMAN router here and what it can do. Lots of options. The possibilities are endless, and this thing will do all the kind of smaller work that you want it to do. And this 15-piece router bit set is awesome as well, as I showed you a few different examples of what it can do. All right, thank you for watching, and see you on the next one.